Hi, you are watching Pinoy Scoop, your daily entertainment news channel in the Philippines.
Parang Rupa, you were found unconscious.
Ano yan?
Hindi ko rin alam. Hindi ko rin alam. Actually, Crystal told me that I should like consult a spiritista. Parang weird.
Were you possessed, something like that?
Parang ganun ang feeling. Kasi hindi ko hindi ko maalala eh. I was doing things na I didn't know.
Like violent things. Nung somehow na, are you hurting yourself or others? Parang gano'n.
Parang I was acting in a strange way.
Walang video.
Ewan ko kung nakunan nila. Hindi ko alam. Kasi the cameras are always at our house eh.
How long does it take yung moment na yun?
Ano lang, siguro mga 5 or like 5 minutes lang. 5, 6
So parang
minutes.
out
Pero
of the blue, it happened. Parang gano'n.
laging madaling araw.
Hindi yung first time.
No, it's not the first time.
Pero gising ka. Gising ka.
No, tulog ako.
Tulog ka. So, ano yun? Parang,
Basta, I don't wanna explain. It's ano.
Rupa, ano yung sinabi ng doktor? Kasi sabi mo it's weird, nangyayari lang. So yung madaling
Wala ko siya nahanap. That's what's the weirdest part. Wala, as in nothing. Wala siya
Pero
nahanap.
it only happened kung tulog ka.
Test, gano'n.
Lahat ng test. They couldn't find anything wrong with me. In MRI ako, general checkup, nothing. So they couldn't find anything, which is even more weird.
So, consider mo na yung spiritista.
Yeah, so my mom thinks I'm baliw. Sabi niya, magdasal daw ako.
And you don't remember anything kapag nagising ka na or
As in, wala akong
nawawalan ka ng
naalala.
malay.
And then parang parang I felt really dizzy. Alam mo yung ganon. So, sabi naman ni Mommy, kulang ako sa dasal. Sabi ko, I pray naman all the time. So, she thinks I'm,
pero
stop calling daw ng mga spiritista.
Wala na.
Wala. As in, shock ako, ha? Ganun pala? Ay, ganun palang ginagawa ko.
Pero how's the two kids? I mean, siyempre,
So, apparently, pinipisil-pisil daw ako, sinasampal-sampal, wala pa rin akong malay. So, it's kind of weird.
pero naniniwala ka sila.
sa possession.
possessed, mga gano'n. You believe?
Thank you.
Ewan ko. Hindi ko pa naisip. Ayun.
Could be.
I know, and you don't talk about it. That's so scary.
Anyway, and what about the David Luiz? Hindi naman siya nag-worry or you?
Syempre worried lahat ng tao, but I didn't really want to tell everyone about it. So yung mga close lang sa akin nakaalam.
Si Jordan, paano ka naman niya binigyan ng comfort?
Pati siya nagtataka, paano nangyari? He doesn't also know. So when I told him that I'm planning to consult a spiritista, syempre he's friends, natatawa siya, no? So alam niya mga nabaliw na talaga kami.
Thank you for watching today's entertainment news here at Pinoy Scoop. Please don't forget to subscribe. Just click on the subscribe button below. Have a great day. Goodbye.